Hello, this is Charlene. We are going to solve a word problem with linear equations using matrices. So I do not know how to pronounce these two names, so we're just going to call them Shia and Angie. How about that? So Shia and Angie each improved their yards by planting grass, sod, and geraniums. They bought their supplies from the same store. Shia bought 3 units of grass sod and 6 geraniums, and the total for her purchase was, let's see here, $36. Okay, and then we have Angie. She bought 11 units of grass sod, so let's mark that, 11 units of grass sod, and also 12 geraniums. And the total cost for Angie's supplies for her yard were $112. So, like I said, in previous videos, this is something that you just kind of get used to. When you see that kind of information, you begin to recognize that it will be in the format of a standard linear equation. So a standard linear equation, which is the ax plus by equals c format. So we're going to see how our information will fit into that format. So we have 3 units of the grass sod. So I've got 3 units of the grass sod. So we're going to call that sod. And then we also have 6 geraniums. So 6 units of sod plus 6 geraniums. And the total cost for that was the $36. The total cost was $36. And again, we always want to remind ourselves that it's about the units. This is 3 units of the cost of the sod, which is going to give us the total cost for the sod. And then we have 6 units of the cost of the geraniums, which means that it's going to be the total cost of the geraniums if it's 6 units times the cost. And then $36 is the total cost. So it's still about dollars plus dollars equals total dollars. So we always need to remember that our units are really all the same. Okay, so our next sentence says that we bought 11 units of grass sod. So it's going to be 11 units of the grass sod. So it's going to be 11 units times some cost of sod plus 12 geraniums. So we're going to do 12 geraniums, but it's 12 times the cost of the geraniums. And that's going to be equal to the total of 111 or 112. Sorry about that. Okay, so again, it's dollars plus dollars equals total dollars. At that point, we'd have two equations, and that gives us a system of linear equations. And we can use this information, all of these coefficients, to put it into our graphing calculator. And so we're going to go ahead and turn on our graphing calculator, and we are going to put all of our coefficients in here. We're going to go to second matrix. We're going to go over to the edit function and push enter, and it's already a 2 by 3. We do need a 2 by 3. There's 2 rows and there are 1, 2, 3 columns. So it is a 2 by 3 matrix. And I'm already looking at a matrix that's been set up as a 2 by 3. All I have to do is go in and make sure I put in the correct coefficients. So we're going to go ahead and do that. All of our coefficients. We're going to have 3, 6, and 36. And we are going to enter those. 3, enter, 6, enter, 36, enter. And then I have 11, 12, and 112 on the second row. So 11, enter, 12, enter, and 112. So, I got that right, 112. There we go. Okay, so 3, 6, 36, 11, 12, 112. So I've confirmed all my numbers are correct. Push enter. Then we're going to get completely out of the matrix function. So I'm going to do second quit, get completely out of that. And then we are going to go back in. We're going to do second matrix. Now we're going to go find our calculating function, which is under the math column. So we're going to go to math column. Then I will go all the way down to RREF. RREF, there it is. There's the function we want. We're going to push enter to choose that function. And now we're going to go back into blue second button, blue matrix again, and tell it to choose the first matrix, which was where we put our data. So we're going to choose that one. by pushing enter, close our parentheses, enter, and it's going to give us an answer matrices. So our answer matrices says 1, 0, and 8, and 0, 1, and 2, and that 8 is going to line up with the price of our sod. Our sod is going to be equal to $8 per unit of sod, and the 2 is going to be lined up with our geraniums. So our geraniums are going to be a cost of $2. So hopefully that helps you think through the process, and you can use this video to help you think about how to breed your word problem, how to come up with your 2 linear equations, and how to use your graphing calculator to come up with answers that are in the matrices form. Okay, have a good day. Click on the like button, click on the subscribe button, and